Gusto mong mag-bake ng sariling bread sa bahay pero feeling mo ang hirap magsimula? Honestly, I can relate. Dati I used to hate making breads when I first started baking. Nakaka-intimidate, nakakapagod at malaki ang chance na magkamali ako. Pero everything changed when I discovered sourdough. Ngayon sobrang passionate na ako sa paggawa nito and I even stopped buying bread from groceries kasi alam kong kaya ko na siyang gawin anytime at mas healthy pa. Now let me introduce you to something simple, healthy at sobrang fulfilling, sourdough. Ang sourdough ay isa sa pinaka-healthy na bread na pwede mong gawin. Mas madali itong i-digest, gumagamit ng natural fermentation at walang unnecessary additives. At alam mo ba, 3 ingredients lang ang kailangan mo. Flour, water at konting salt. Ganun siya kasimple. Beginner friendly talaga siya. Walang complicated steps, di mo kailangan magmasa at hindi mo kailangan ng Dutch oven or mamahaling gamit sa kitchen. Kaya pwede ka nang gumawa ng artisan style sourdough sa sarili mong kitchen. To be honest, watching multiple videos online made it even more complicated and confusing. Iba-iba yung instructions, iba-iba yung methods, nakakalito talaga. At sa experience ko, ang daming beses ko na pumalpak. And that's why I decided to create this class. Tutulungan kitang alisin yung confusion, step by step, clear at simplified, para madali mong sundan kahit first time mo palang mag-bake. This process has no shortcuts. Ito yung traditional way of making sourdough, so you can truly enjoy every step, from feeding your starter to watching your dough rise, hanggang sa paglabas ng freshly baked bread mo. At hindi lang isa ang matututunan mo, you'll also learn how to make 8 different sourdough flavors para may variety ka habang minamaster mo ang basics. Matututunan mo rin kung paano mag-incorporate ng iba pang klase ng flour para mas maging healthy at mas swak sa preference mo. At hindi lang ito pang bahay ha, pwede mo rin itong gawing negosyo. Imagine this, ang 1 kilo ng bread flour ay nasa around 55 pesos lang, pero makakagawa ka na ng 2 loaves ng sourdough. Ako, I sell my plain sourdough for 430 pesos. At kapag may flavors, it goes from 450 to 550 pesos. Just imagine the profit, especially if you turn this into a small business. At ang best part, this is a pre-recorded online class with lifetime access. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong panoorin anytime, ulit-ulitin kung kailangan at matuto at your own pace. Walang pressure. All of these for only 2,499 pesos. Kaya simulan mo na ang sourdough journey mo today at ma-experience mo ang saya sa paggawa ng sarili mong bread from scratch. Kaya kung interesado ka, i-message mo lang ako.